Best Photo Light Box. Your photography with top PKS. Photo light boxes provide even lighting. They eliminate shadows and create a clear background. Perfect for product photography. Ideal for small items like jewelry or electronics. Compact and easy to use. Set up in minutes. They come in various sizes. List number 1. Benoison Light Box Photography. Capture stunning photos with the Benoison Light Box Photography. This portably shooting tent features 120 bright LEDs for clear, vibrant images. Perfect for jewelry, watches, cosmetics, and food photography. 6 versatile bucket drops offer creative options for every shot. Compact and easy to set up, it fits any workspace. Elevate your photography with professional results effortlessly. Advantages. The Benoison Light Box Photography is ideal for crispy photos. Its compact design allows easy portability for photographers on the go. Bright LED LEDs ensure consistent lighting for every photo. Different bucket drops offer versatility for various product shots. Perfect for jewelry, watches, cosmetics, and food photography. List number 2. Mini Photo Studio Light Box Photo Shooting 10 Key. Capture stunning photos effortlessly with the Pulus Mini Photo Studio Light Box. Ideal for small products, it offers vibrant lighting with 96 high-quality LED LEDs. They portably designed ensures easy setup and storage anywhere you go. Choose from 6 double-sided color bucket grundis to enhance your shots. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals seeking quality results. Advantages. Capture professional quality photos with ASIR. The Pulus Mini Photo Studio Light Box offers a compact and user-friendly setup, making it simple to achieve stunning results. Perfect for small product photography. List number 3. Portably Photo Studio Light Box. Capture stunning photos with the Glendan Portably Photo Studio Light Box. Perfect for jewelry and small items. This kit includes 112 LED LEDs and 6 bucket drops. Easy to set up and use. Ideal for photographers seeking professional quality images. Compact and convenient design. Advantages. Capture stunning photos with this portably Photo Studio Light Box. Dimmable LED LEDs ensure perfect lighting for every shot. List number 4. Tido 16x16x12 Photo Studio Light Box Photography with 120 LEDs, CRI 956. Capture stunning photos with the Tido Photo Studio Light Box. Equipped with 120 high-quality LEDs, it ensures excellent brightness for perfect shots. 6 interchangeable bucket drops offer versatility, allowing you to showcase toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics beautifully. Easy to set up and fold, this portably light box makes photography simple wherever you go. With adjustable brightness, achieve the ideal lighting for every picture. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists. Advantages. Capture stunning images effortlessly with the Tido Photo Studio Box. This compact studio offers versatile shooting options for small items like jewelry and toys. Experience professional lighting with 120 high-quality LEDs, ensuring vibrant colors. The CRI 95 rating guarantees true-to-life colors and every photography. List number 5. Tido 12x12x12 Photo Studio Light Box. Capture stunning photos with the Tido Photo Studio Light Box. Its 120 high-quality LEDs ensure bright, even lighting. The box comes with 6 colorful bucket drops, perfect for any product. A handy desktop tripod offers stable support for your camera. Ideal for shooting toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics. Easily portably and fold the S up for quick storage. Advantages: capture stunning photos with AC. Daily GT2 12x12x12 Photo Studio Lightbox provides a perfect environment for product photography. Ideal for toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics. Here are 5 advantages of using this versatile tool.